Hello everyone, I'm Lim Jonghyun, the presenter of Team 2. The members of our team can be found below the page. This is our weekly plan. This week, we are going to study on Skybridge and Kardashev loop system. I'll proceed with the contents as below. Before main presentation, I'll review the last week. At the time of construction, there were difficulties with the Ripton method, and the change in the construction method delayed the construction, causing a rain leak in the loop structure and needed repair work. We also looked into the erection method of large space structures, among which we looked at the Lipton method of long-span buildings and dome structures. And now, I will explain why Lipton method was selected. The BCC used the Lipton method because of its stability. In the construction of large loops, which are 35 meters high, the decision was made to minimize work in the air using the Lipton method, taking into account the efficiency of work on construction. However, the construction partially applied the advantages of the Lipton method. The loop steel truss structure was pre-assembled on the ground, and the rooftop technique was used. Some of the loop's exterior materials and installations were not assembled on the ground, but worked in the air. The BCC had to do some work in the air to achieve its goals of shortening the construction period. To shorten the time rather than using the Lipton method for stability, the construction of the facility and some exterior materials was carried out after the Lipton construction. In fact, the ultimate purpose of BCC's use of the Lipton method seems to have been to shorten the construction period. The construction of external materials and facilities was carried out in the air, causing problems such as pool construction and leak water from the roof. Now, let me introduce you to another building section. First of all, Cine Mountain. The upper part is used as a movie theater and the lower part is a concert hall. The small theater stage are corridor and designed with cantilever structure. And Beef Hill. Usually, it is used as an office and auxiliary facility for the Busan International Film Festival. And there is a projection room and support facility for the outdoor performance hall. Let me explain you the Skybridge. The Skybridge connects Doublecom, Beef Hill, and Cine Mountain. This is the top view of the Busan Cinema Center. This metal bridge is designed to provide visitors with visual pleasure in harmony with the red LED landscape lighting of the Bing Loop, as well as its role in connecting Cine Mountain, Beef Hill, Doublecom Square. The Skybridge uses 365 tons of steel and can accommodate about 1,500 people. The 150-meter long sky bridge is designed to stay in the air with only a tension bar without supporting pillars. There are 3 types of tension bars, and a total of 36 were used, including 23 in diameter 40 mm, 5 in diameter 65 mm, and 8 in diameter 80 mm. Each tension bar can withstand loads of 20 tons, 25 tons, and 48 tons. The sky bridge was constructed by placing steel frames on a 7-meter high temporary band and assembling them. The cantilever loop was swaying up and down by the wind, so a system was needed to control it. When the loop shakes up and down, the joint between the bridge and the building moves up and down and prevents the joint from being destroyed. The following is about cardchip, a finishing material. The cardchip system was used for beef hill and double cone. In the case of the Busan Cinema Center, the site located near the sea, there was a danger that salty winds from the sea could corrode the structure of the building and weaken its durability. Therefore, the Busan Cinema Center applied the cardchip system to the roof of the Busan Cinema Center to compensate for this weakness. The aluminum seat of the cross company using in the cardchip system is an alloy of zinc that attaches 4% of the total thickness to the top and bottom. It protects the aluminum core against severe external contamination and has strong durability. It can also be said to have very strong durability in the environment near the beach by forming a natural oxide film. The loop structure itself has created a pathway for air to circulate. This allows air to naturally circulate with the outside. In addition, condensation of water vapor can occur due to temperature differences when ventilation is not performed. This natural ventilation system has a system that can prevent condensation of water vapor inside the roof. Therefore, it is suitable for the environment near the beach with moisture. It also shows strong thermal expansion in the loop structure. For the cardchip system, the length of each seat per meter increases or decreases by 1 mm to the temperature change of 10 degrees Celsius on 45 degrees Celsius basis. It seems to have a strong temperature against heat. In addition, it has excellent waterproof quality because it does not drill holes in the roof. And it also has the advantage of being very light and strong in strength, as well as convenience in construction by unit. Therefore, for the Busan Cinema Center site, the cardchip system was applied to the building to apply the above-mentioned advantages. The CalZip installation process is as follows. On the part-top loop, install the moisture control sheet and install the ST clip. Install the insulation. Finally, CalZip sheet is installed. The construction is completed. Thank you for listening. We're Team 2.